Hi guys! It's your girl, JekJek's the Cloud, and we're back for another balloon art lesson. Today we're going to be making the best starter Pokemon ever. It's Bulbasaur! Bulbasaur! Let's get started. To make a Bulbasaur, you're going to need 2 balloons. A green one, and a bluish green one, both of them being 260s. First, you're going to air up the bluish green one a little bit more than halfway. Put some air out and tie. Now let's begin. First, have a flower petal for the head, about this size. Now you're going to make 4 1.5-inch bubbles. Bulbasaur used Vine Whip. You should have this so far. Now, lay the rest of the balloon over the legs to where it's about the same length. So roughly 2 inches, maybe 2.5. And twist. And now, make another one the same length. Once you've done that, twist them into the head. Now this part is excess. I don't need it, so I'm gonna cut it. But remember to pinch the base. And now you're gonna take that slack, feed it through the 2 long balloons, back under, through the center of the legs, like that, and you're gonna wrap it around the head. And there we have Bulbasaur's body. Now, we just gotta make the bulb that goes on top of his back. So take your dark green balloon and air it up halfway. Now you're going to twist it about 2.5 inches. So about this length. Fold it over. Twist it again. Fold it over. Twist it again. And this time, we're going to bend the twist over the top. Like that. See that? It went over the top right there. And we're going to twist it one more time. The same length. You want all 4 of these to be exactly the same. Now take the slack that you tied the balloon with and wrap it around what you just did. And then tuck it in. And now cut off the extra. You should have something that looks like this. Wow, that really looks like a green pepper, doesn't it? Well, that could be a balloon craft on its own. Introducing the green pepper. Anyway, you're going to take the bulb, you're going to take the body, you're going to lay the bulb on top like this, and now you're going to take the slack, and you're going to wrap it all the way around. Whoa, over the butt, through the legs, around the neck, and finally back into the ball. And now you're going to kind of push the ball down a little bit so it rounds out and gets a little flatter and more squish. It'll probably also help to squeeze and massage it a little bit. And there we go. There's our balloon Bulbasaur. Now all that's left is to draw the face and all the details like the spots. So you're going to want a red marker, a black marker, and a green marker. This is going to take a little bit, so bear with me. And there you have it. That is how you make your very own Balloon Bulbasaur. The best Kanto starter. Hands down, no contest. And if you don't agree, then fight me in the comments. Well, that does it for this week's lesson. Remember to practice, practice, practice. And if you pop balloons, it's okay. It's part of the art. And until the next one, I'm your girl, JekJek the Clown. Keep on smiling and keep on twisted. Bye, guys!